I went on Letterboxd. I tried my best.
Oh, you did what I did! We're both psychos now.
I was like, that movie good.
It is good. I've watched not the whole thing actually, but.
Anyways.
So, get the box. Hello, YouTube channel.
Well, Summer's gonna talk you through it while I actually open it.
Me and Matt
she's gonna want to
are doing an unboxing today. We're gonna bring it around town.
I hate this.
Bring it up. Oh, wait. So, the packaging is very nice. I got the PlayStation Pro Red Dead 2 bundle from my family for Christmas. Thank you, Moo and Do. Y'all the G's. There's something sexist about this. I'm doing the talking, Matt's doing the man's work. Opening a box. And he's not succeeding. Don't rip my box! So inside we have some cute...
Another box.
Another cute... I really like this palette. So then we tilt it up like this. We open the flap. Ooh. Asthma.
Did you say asthma?
Oh, she's beautiful. So we have a DualShock controller, and then over there we have another DualShock
bunch of cords.
Controller. You know, we're gonna need those. Don't lose them. She is beauty. She is grace. We're going to be very careful with our unboxing. We're not just going to yank her out, as Matt is so keen on doing. We're going to ever so carefully get her from her bottom. Ooh. Ooh!
Spider-Man.
You're excited about Spider-Man.
I'm excited for the teen game, and you're excited for the mature game. That's new. For the Yeehaw Cowboy game. You just want to say Yeehaw. You just want to say Yeehaw.
That's what I was saying. Like, you're excited for the progressive superhero game. And I'm excited for the conservative, traditional Yeehaw game.
I find that racist.
I didn't mention race.
Can we open? Can we play? Can we play?
Jesus, Matt. Antsy much? We have to do a formal unboxing.
No, we don't.
So, it's really beautiful, honestly. I didn't even just get a PlayStation. I got a PlayStation Pro. It's very sleek in its design. It looks like kind of like a 3-tier fold. Matt, why are you judging me? This is my first PlayStation.
It's me too.
It's not yours. So now we're gonna. Matt, what have you say?
Have me say, let's play. Are we ready, Freddy? I'm gonna go to the bathroom and let you take a breather.
Yes.
Oh. So you both had too much tabs.
Where's the big frickus, my click?
$20,000 on my wrist. I got 80K.
Where the big frick is my click?
I'm gonna tell you what, I got money.
Listen, there's squirrels in my pants.
Hey, what?
You need some proof? No? You're a fake fan?
I'm not a fan. It's like not bad. I'm just not the funniest. I remember when
It's peak humor. A platypus? Carry the platypus!
Take scissors. Why is Minnie giving me head?
Disney is ruined for me.
Okay.
I'm back, looking slightly more put together. The best part about putting on makeup is feeling equally as awful afterwards as you did before.
We should find out how to take care of her. Why does Mars look like this? Ours doesn't.
Fucking die already, motherfucker.
We've made it quite a dent in this game.
Yeah.
Don't die now, YouTube's watching.
You're trying to compromise the mission by making me nervous. You're a traitor, aren't you?
Max.
Let the bells ring on a fool's holiday.
Hi, Summer. How are you? I'm good. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Vlogging.
Ow. Get off of me! Get away from her, you bitch!
We're ready for the Golden Globes because award shows aren't fun unless you have your friends to make fun of them with.
Or if you're building a gingerbread house.
Oh, why are you building a gingerbread house?
Because I can.
This isn't even a joke. It's not even a meme. He brought a gingerbread house and he's building it.
The NFL.
I don't know. Da da da. What?
Why are you eating icing?
Why are you building a gingerbread house?
21.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne